In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome from opening a new window when you click on a link. If you've ever clicked a result on Google and been bounced into a fresh window or an extra tab, it can clutter your screen fast. The fix lives in Google's own search preferences, and it only takes a moment. First, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Make sure you're on the actual Google homepage or a Google results page, not the browser's settings screen. If your window is small, maximize it so everything on the page is visible. Next, look to the lower right corner of the Google page and click Settings. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a gear icon labeled Settings. This opens a small menu with options related to how Google search behaves. From that menu, choose Search Settings. You'll be taken to a dedicated Preferences page where you can adjust the experience of Google search, including how results open when you click them. On the left side of the screen, find and click Other Settings. This section contains additional behavior controls that aren't in the main categories. Now, locate the option called Results in a new window and toggle it off. Turning this off tells Google not to force a new window or tab when you click a search result. In most layouts, your changes are applied automatically, so there's nothing else you need to save here. From this point on, your Google search results will open in the same tab instead of launching a new window. That means fewer distractions and a cleaner browsing session while you research or compare pages. A couple of helpful tips as you use this setting. If you still want to open a specific link in a new tab occasionally, use Ctrl or Command while clicking, or click with your mouse's middle button. That gives you control on a case-by-case basis. Also remember that this preference affects links you click from Google Search itself. Some websites may still choose to open their own links in new windows, which is outside of Google's control. If you ever change your mind, you can return to google.com, open settings, go back to search settings, and re-enable results in a new window. That's it. You've adjusted a single preference to keep your workflow tidy and your tabs under control.